Hello, everyone. I've created customer feedback template in Google Sheets. This template automatically sends emails to clients, then creates labels in Gmail where you can sort the feedbacks from the client in the labels, and it will automatically appear in the template. In the top area, I have included the menu such as Dashboard, which is this actual tab, because there is no data, currently is blank. Next is the feature idea. Third button is Send Request, where you can create email template and send requests to selected emails. Fourth button is Contact List, where you can record new clients. Next button is to grab receive feedbacks automatically. And last button is Settings, where you can set up priorities, type, and categories. First, let's start from clicking at the Contacts tab. Clicking the plus button, it will open Sidebar, where you can record new contact. Let's add new client for this example. The category type can be changed in the Settings tab. I have added some details as an example. You can change it according to your needs. I will record also the second client, and I will add into same category type for this example. When we filter the category in the drop-down menu, the recorded clients will appear. First checkbox will select all the list of the client, but you can select also manually. The point is that the selected clients will receive the emails for their feedback. If you want to update the information of the client, you can do it by clicking in the green button. It will open the Recorded Clients tab, where you can manually update the new informations. In the Send Request, you will have the emails list at the left area, and in the right area you have subject and content that you can customize according to your needs. This subject and content will be sent to the list of emails visible in the left area. Example, you can create the feedback questionnaire in the Google form and paste a link in the content. The last button, Send, will automatically send an email to all the lists visible in this tab. When you receive the response from the clients, you can sort in the labels that will be created in the Feedback tab. Drop-down menu filter is linked with the Gmail labels that will be automatically created. Those labels can be changed in the Settings tab. So when you run the function for the first time, the labels in Gmail will be automatically created. When the client responds, a list will be created automatically in Feedback tab. So first I will send the feedback request to those 2 emails for this example. Then the clients will receive the emails for their feedback. In the Feedback tab, there is the drop-down menu which can be changed in the Settings tab. This menu will create labels in the Gmail, so when the response will be received from the clients, it will be recorded under the sorted label. Let's demonstrate it. When I first time click at the button Get Feedback, it will create the labels in your Gmail account. Labels will be visible into your Gmail account, and also collected label will be additionally added. So first you sort all the client response into labels. Then when you automatically pull the client's feedback to the Google Sheets templates, all the feedbacks that have been sorted will be placed in the collected label automatically. Let's test it. When I pull the feedbacks that I just sorted in the Gmail label, all the feedbacks will be pulled automatically. In the Gmail label where we have placed it will be switched into collected label. Also, the feedbacks with the attachments will be stored automatically in the subfolder under the responder email. By selecting the checkbox, you can also view the email content and also the subfolder in case that there are attachments included. The green database button will open the tab where the pulled emails are stored in case that you want to modify or delete the row. So in the Dashboard tab, you can select the actual year, and it will update the charts. You can see the total number of contacts, count client by category donut chart. Table count the total number by months. Column chart view total feedback by months. Total labels sorted donut chart. And table chart total clients list. In the second button, Featured Idea, I have included Notes card. The drop-down menu will filter details that can be changed in the Settings tab. WIP or Work in Progress can be also changed in the Settings tab. Plus button will open the sidebar to record Featured Idea. Here you can place all the ideas that you can later check and discuss with the company team. is you want to update the row, you can click at the green database button that will redirect to the tab where all the records are added. So here you can switch the cards through the work in progress. Finally, we have added some data for Dashboard tab. Here you can see that we have recorded the total clients too, which in Donut Chart have been categorized as VIP clients. Those clients have been added in February 2025, which are also visible in the table charts by months. Response have been added in the feedback label and also the table chart list of clients. Here is also the drop-down menu that will automatically add the actual year, and all the data will be filtered by the selected year. Thanks for watching.